How to fix McDonald's app not letting you log in. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix McDonald's app not letting you log in. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So if the McDonald's app is not letting you log in, there can be different reasons why this can occur. So first is a network related issue. So just check for your Wi-Fi connection, make sure that you're connected to the internet, and you can also switch to mobile data. It's completely up to you. So after that, what you'll need to do is just go ahead and open up your McDonald's app and try to log in. Make sure that the credentials that you use are correct as well. So after that, even doing all that, if it still does not let you log in, what you can do is update the app first. So go to App Store, search for McDonald's. After you search for McDonald's, open up the app. And if you see an update button, update the app. So with updates, there will be bug fixes and patches available. So that should fix the issue. If whatever the issue is, making you log out or making you not log in into your account. So that's one fix. The other one is clearing out the app's cache. If the update is not available on the App Store, you can always go ahead to your settings, then on your general, then on your iPhone storage. Now what we're doing here is we are trying to clear out the cache from our app. So just go to here, go to McDonald's, tap on offload app and then offload the app. After you offload it, reinstall it and the cache will be cleared. And the problem should be cleared as well. And that's how you fix the issue, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.